Hey guys, Tony here. So I am going to be converting all of my Ethereum Classic into Atom. I do think Ethereum Classic definitely has a good chance of rallying to the upside. But from right here, I can see Ethereum Classic doing another 100% before staying in a trading range. And I think that Atom can actually keep running from where it's at and maybe do a 6x from here. So I will be converting all of my Ethereum Classic into Atom, and apart from that, I will be earning a 5% APY on Coinbase. So for right now, yeah, I do think Atom has a bit, like I said, it's not really that I like Atom more than Ethereum Classic. It's more on the fact that Ethereum Classic, I think from its highs, can really only net you maybe like a 2-3x. And I do think Ethereum Classic is going to rally. If Ethereum goes up, as long as Ethereum goes up, Ethereum Classic goes up. But I think right now, I think Cosmos slash Atom, I think it has a way bigger chance of possibly netting close to like a $30 billion valuation. Right now we are sitting at 5.5. So like I said, like around the 6x from here. It does give you that 5% APY, which is even better. I think Atom is definitely one of the ones that I'm going to be adding to my wallet if we do see a big correction. And also Solana, I think that is going to be a big addition. But again, I think that Atom has a really good chance just, you know, rallying hard to the upside. I don't know what Atom actually does. I didn't actually look into Atom to see what can happen, but I do think that the valuation is a little low for a crypto that gives you a 5% yield for the year, and it's still relatively newish. I mean, from its lows, it's really only done a 25x. Usually, some cryptos have on average about 125x on average. So, you know, I do expect that, like I said, maybe another 5 to 6x from here, and that's strictly based off speculation. This is not a trade based off of, or the conversion is not based off of their fundamentals. This is strictly based off of the average multiple that a crypto already has, and I'm basically just adding that onto a new-ish crypto, at least for what I think is newish. Plus they have a 5% APY, so that's even more fantastic. I mean, what bank is going to give you that yield, right? So yeah, just letting you guys know. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.